Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Jan Sewing Solutions suit reviews. Today I have a delivery that's arrived from Pakistan. These are some suits that I bought online. Now if you are an avid Facebook user, then you will see lots and lots and lots of advertisements by many boutiques and individuals selling varying lots of different designs and types of suits. It's quite tempting. I have to say that even I was tempted looking at the prices and looking at the photos of the suits. You are easily taken in by the glamorous photos to buy. Now I was actually quite tempted to give this site a try and see what these suits were like. So I ordered, in total I think it's 6 suits that I ordered, quite a few different designs. I'm going to go on to explain what these suits are first of all, and the designs I ordered. And now this one is from Annaya design. It's in a white. The photo just looked absolutely spectacular. I have to say that the photo was obviously what took my breath away, and I was quite tempted. Now this was a suit that I ordered for Halima, and I wanted to get this and make it for her, but then I went and opted for the cream because I knew this was not going to arrive in time. That's one of the things that you have to order well in advance. Now I look at the suit and I look at what's come. Do you know what? This no way matches my pearl design, but who's to say? Maybe once it's all stitched up and stuff, I might be able to do it justice. But to look at it like this, what's come, I have to say that I'm not really overly thrilled. I'm going to explain what it is that we've got, and then we're going to see what we can do with this suit and whether it can become a wow. So first of all, I've got this trouser fabric, and normally this fabric is called American crepe. I would class this like lining fabric. So to be honest, my honest opinion for the trouser material, I would not use this as a trouser material. I would use it as a lining, where I would go around and hunt for some fabric that would be of a better quality than this, because I'm not really too keen on it at all. Now what we've got with this is 2 patches, and these are to be added onto the trouser bottom. Now again, when you look at the trouser patch and you look at the model wearing the trouser, I'm actually a little bit disappointed, to be honest, because this patch is way too small to actually do the full justice to how this is displayed. But anyway, again, come to sewing, I'm gonna have to see what I can mix and match out of the dress fabric and add to the remainder of this if I'm going to get the kind of result that she's wearing. But anyway, that's again remains to be seen. So this is on organza. These are the embroidery patches, so we're going to see what we're going to do with the embroidery patches. Now I'm going to just put these to a side and go along and explain what we have. Now it's got a net dupatta, and I suppose it's okay. We're going to have to finish it obviously off with a few of our own additional add-ons in order to give this a little bit of a glamorous look. I've never been fond of net scarves, but I suppose it's the back-end trend. So that's the net scarf. It's finished off on the edges, which is a good thing. It hasn't got the palus done, so that's something that's okay. That's the neckline. So that's and then that's plain chiffon for the back, I suppose. And what we've got is we've got this chiffon which is I suppose draped to the front. Yeah, I'm not quite sure how we're going to go about making this, but this is an embroidered piece. It's about 1 meter, and then we've got this embroidered net, which is probably for the sleeves, and then we have this embroidered piece, and I would imagine this to be the top of the sleeves. I'm not quite sure how they've gone and designed this, but anyway, that's a piece that's come. Now we're going to have to mix and match this and see what kind of result we're going to get. Like I said, I'm not totally thrilled at what this has come out like, because this was not how I imagined it. Okay, it needs a lot of I suppose this is a tutorial that you need on this. You definitely need a tutorial where somebody's going to put a little bit of brain power into making something out of this that's going to become like the wow. Otherwise, there isn't anything extraordinary. It's just lots of pieces, and the pieces are, I don't know, you're going to have to use a lot of brain power, like I said, in order to get some kind of a result from this. Okay, I will get my thinking cap on and hopefully design this for Eid and share the result with you. So I suppose Thema will be wearing, but I am going to have to spend additional to what this suit has come. I paid 3,800 rupees for the suit, and then obviously it's cost me for the carriage, because having something brought over from Pakistan, you are looking at quite a bit of charges. So I would class this as probably costing around about £50 for the suit, with the postage and so on. So if you're tempted to buy something like this, then I will link the Facebook page to the bottom of the video, and you can visit the lady. She sends them from Karachi, and I will be sharing some more suits with you that I've also gone and purchased. So really the proof of the pudding is going to be in the eating, because to look at this as it is absolutely nothing. There's no wow factor in pieces alone. It's just lots of chiffon and net pieces, and really the ultimate look of this whole suit is going to be in the making, and obviously in the person who's going to wear it and who's going to model it. So for now I'm going to wrap up on this video, and I'm going to join you again in sharing some of the other suits with you. So keep on watching, and I will share my next suit with you.